Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus, 9th chapter areas of parallelograms and triangles. Already 2 exercises I have completed. I am doing 3rd exercise now. In that till 9 sums I have completed. 9th sum I have given in the description box. You can check. Now I will continue with the 10th sum. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. So a trapezium is there ABCD. So the diagram is not given in the question. So we need to draw the diagram. Then only it will be easy for us to derive the answer whatever they have given. So diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. So ABCD is a trapezium. AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. So it is given that AB is parallel to DC. Intersect each other at O. So they are intersecting each other. The diagonals are intersecting each other at the point O. Prove that area of AOD, that is AOD, this triangle, and area of BOC. So these two triangles are equal. Areas of these two triangles are equal. That we are asked to prove. Okay, so as I told you earlier, we will be using two proofs. One is area of two parallelograms between the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Same way, area of two triangles between the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Then the third one is area of a triangle and a parallelogram between the same base and between the same parallels. We will get area of triangle is equal to half the area of parallelogram. So these three proofs we need to remember so that we can able to do these sums. So the same thing only we are going to use here. We are going to take, in the question it is given AB is parallel to DC. So we got a parallel line. Okay, so in between we are having ABD. So we will take triangle ABD and triangle ABC. So these two triangles will take. So we have a common base. AB is the common base for both the triangles that I told, and between the same parallel. So both the areas are equal. We are going to use that property. Okay. So first we will write what are all the things given. So given ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Then AC and BD diagonals intersect at O. Diagonals intersect at O. And then AB parallel to DC. So these are all the things given to prove. What is the thing we are asked to prove? To prove area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. So these two areas of the triangles are equal, we need to prove. So proof is, we will take in the trapeze, in the question it is given AB parallel to DC. So we will take triangle ABD and BAC. So these two triangles we will take. Okay. So in trapezium ABCD, in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC. Therefore, triangle ABD and triangle ABC are on the common base, AB, and between the parallels AB and DC. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ABC. So these two areas are equal. But the thing is, we are asked to prove only this part, AOD and BOC. So these two triangles are only equal, we are asked to prove. So, for telling that, if we see this AOB, so that AOB part is common to both the triangles. AOB. So, if we remove this part from both the triangles, we have taken ABD. ABD and ABC we have taken. In both the triangles, if I remove this shaded part, if I remove that shaded part, the remaining, whatever they are asking us to prove, that we will get. Okay, so area of ABD minus area of ABO. ABO, in both the sides I am subtracting. Area of triangle ABC minus area of ABO. So when I subtract this, I get AOD. Area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. Area of BOC. So what is the thing I am asked to prove? Area of AOD is equal to area of BOC. Very simple proof only, but when we are writing all these properties, all these results, definitely we need to write. With the help of that result only we are proving this. So that statement we need to write. Okay, understood? Okay, so basic properties you have to be very clear, then only you can do all the sums. Okay, thank you.